convert 1102 to a number in base 10 from base 3 requires expansion as the method. So let us apply the method of expansion. In the solution, let's go. We take the number to be converted, 1102, and write exponents on it. From the far right hand side, 0, 1, 2, and 3 until we exhaust the digits towards the left. This is in base 3, and we wish to convert it into base 10. So the expansion begins. We're going to begin to take the digits. The first digit is 1, multiplied by the base, and the base is 3, raised to the power the number written on it, which is 3, plus the second digit is 1, and that multiplies the base 3, written to the power 2. Anytime there is a 0 term, it can be omitted, because when 0 multiplies any number, the result is 0. So we can intentionally omit this. And now move to the next digit. That means we have plus. The next digit is 2, multiplied by the base 3 to the power 0. That's good. All right, that is a plus around there. Let me give something better. That's it. Now we have to evaluate each part of this. So we go 3 to the power 3. 3 multiplying itself 3 times. That gives 27. 27 times 1 gives 27. Then plus 3 to the power 2, that's 9. 9 times 1, which is 9. And finally, plus the last part, 3 to the power 0, according to the law of indices, equals 1. 1 times 2 gives 2. And now we can get our final answer by adding everything. 27 plus 9, 36. 36 plus 2 gives us 38 in base 10. And this is our final answer. Very simple. And that is actually option D. Now, please look at the pinned comment. If you wish to take the full test on number basis, you can click on the link in the pinned comment to take the full test. And you can also study the full video on number basis on this channel. Find the video after subscription, and above all, turn on the notification bell.